What if I told you we could code realistic Diwali firecrackers with sound effects in Flutter? Let's build an interactive firecracker animation perfect for Diwali 2025. First, create a new Flutter app and add the audioplayers package to your pubspec.yaml file. We're using version 6.5.1. Don't forget to add the assets folder for our sound effects. I've included 7 different firecracker sounds for variety. Now, let's build the main widget. We'll create a stateful widget called Firecracker Animation with a ticker provider state mixin. This is crucial for our animation controllers. We need 3 key components: an audio player for sounds, a list to track active firecrackers, and a random instance for variety. In init state, we kick off the auto-launch function after a short delay. The launch firecracker function is where the magic happens. First, we play a random sound effect from our 7 available crackers. Notice the volume is set to 0.5 to avoid overwhelming users. Then, we create an animation controller with a 1.5-second duration. Each firecracker gets random colors shuffled from our palette of 7 vibrant shades. We add it to our list, start the animation, and clean up when it completes. The auto-launch function creates that continuous fireworks show. It randomly positions firecrackers across the screen and schedules the next launch between 400 to 1200 milliseconds. This randomness makes it feel organic and natural, just like real Diwali celebrations, where crackers go off unpredictably. For the UI, we have a dark night sky background with a festive title at the top. The gesture detector wraps everything, letting users tap anywhere to launch their own firecrackers. Each firecracker in our list gets an animated builder that rebuilds as the animation progresses, passing the current progress value to our CustomPainter. Now for the most exciting part, the CustomPainter. This is where we create those beautiful particle explosions. We spawn 50 particles arranged in a perfect circle using trigonometry. Each particle has a random speed multiplier for natural variation. The animation has 2 phases: explosion from 0 to 0.6, where particles radiate outward, and fade from 0.6 to 1.0, where they gradually disappear. We add gravity by increasing the Y position based on progress. Each particle's opacity decreases over time, and its size shrinks as it fades. For that authentic glow effect, we draw a larger blurred circle behind each particle during the first half of the animation. And here's a cool detail. In the first 20% of the animation, we draw a bright white flash at the center, simulating that initial burst of light. Let's talk about the physics. The distance calculation uses the explosion progress multiplied by max radius and speed. This creates that expanding explosion effect. The gravity simulation adds 30 pixels times progress to the Y coordinate. The opacity formula combines fade progress with overall progress for a smooth disappearance. These small details make the animation feel realistic and satisfying. The audio integration is surprisingly simple, but incredibly effective. We create a single audio player instance and reuse it for all firecrackers. By randomly selecting from 7 different sound files, each explosion feels unique. The 0.5 volume ensures it's not too jarring, especially when multiple crackers go off simultaneously. Remember to dispose of the player properly in the dispose method. And that's it! You now have a fully functional, interactive Diwali firecracker animation with sound effects.